Greetings everyone, welcome to It's Perfect Business YouTube channel. Today's video is all about how to bleach your palm oil for soda soap business. So without wasting much of our time, I want to say please subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the notification bell, and most importantly, share this video. Share it so that other people can be able to know how to bleach palm oil for soda soap business. Okay, share it so that people can be able to know more about business idea on how to start business idea with just little amount of money. So without wasting much of our time, I want to say thank you to every subscriber and those of you who have not yet subscribed to our channel. So let's get started. So guys, this is my palm oil. So you have to put fire. Note please, this red oil bleaching, you cannot bleach it inside your apartment due to children. You take it outside to bleach it outside. So that's what I'm doing. So guys, here's the process of bleaching oil. You can see the foam. The foam is already on top, but it's not yet bleached, it's still red. And I will show you people how to test your oil if it's well bleached. So guys, you can see the oil is still on fire. Let's see if the oil have bleached. So this is my white sheet paper. I'll be dipping it on it. It's not yet bleached. You can see it's still red. So the oil is still red. So guys, I have to check it again to see if it's well bleached. It's not yet bleached. We still have to leave it because I can see some. It's still red on it. We are back to check the red oil if it's bleached. So this is our white tissue. We dip on it. Hope you guys are seeing it. You can see through it. It's like groundnut oil. So it's okay to remove it so that it's not going to get burnt.